Yo, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy Murray TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. So let me start off this review by saying this. I am so happy to be alive. I'm glad for reaching a new month. Today is the 1st of October. And me I tell you no, 2020 no play, 2020 no joke. A lot of the people them fall out in at the beginning of the year, in at the middle of the year. You see me? But every single body will watch or listen this video right now, you know, alive. So you know if you give God thanks. I want to know what else is special about this day. Today is the beautiful Shenseea birthday. Money yellow up. And if you know wonder where we get Shenseea upon our earth strong, this is what Shenseea need. Check it out.
For everybody that says they don't know what to give me for my birthday, speaking here, I love money. I would like some money for my birthday. I love his money. I love her money. I love everybody's money. Please. Please. Yes, that's what I want for my birthday. Money? I'll be your money, me love. Can't say me never tell you. Oh.
No man can't say me ever begging. I know my style that. Put me Kyle to him out, me we flop that. Hear me have me when I'm money, yeah me got that. Usually I'm indecisive, but tonight me sure. Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
No people, even though this report I'm gonna give you right now, it have nothing to do with entertainment nor nothing like that, but me still find it funny and amusing. The headline read, Guyanese man get 3 years for having sex with a dead COVID patient. Yo, I can't even read this with a straight face. No, brother, everybody are run from COVID. And you gonna have sex with a dead COVID patient only in Guyana. And then they said Jamaica is not a real place. Anyway, a magistrate has sentenced a 50-year-old man to 3 years in jail after he was convicted on the charge of trespassing with the intent to commit a sexual offense on a 56-year-old woman who died from coronavirus COVID-19. Magistrate Delan Bless, sitting in the Matthews Ridge Magistrate Court, imposed the sentence after Leroy Chacoon of Train Lane, Port Kaitma, Northwest District, pleaded guilty to the offense when he appeared in court on Tuesday. The magistrate had adjourned sentencing. Chacoon, placed in quarantine under police guard last Saturday after he was caught performing the indecent act on the corpse of the woman who died on September 21 after displaying COVID-19 symptoms. A COVID-19 test later confirmed that she tested positive for the disease. Chacoon reported to have visited Port Kaitma mortuary where the woman's body was being stored. Now, people, want to tell me the honest truth. Well on. First of all, it's disgusting already if you have sex with a dead person. Worse if you have sex with a dead COVID victim. That brother you're sick. That brother you're crazy. I don't know, probably a long time in my prayer out, you know. And I say, you know, say, I want to put one by you. And then she go so booms and dead now. My boy see it as the perfect opportunity. Yo, we just gonna left it right there. So people, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section below. And remember, this was taking place in Guyana, not Jamaica. We're moving on. So people, if you hear some pounding in the background, just bear with me. They might do some renovation upstairs and be things. Anyway, people, squash mother Shelly-Ann dispel rumors of she carrying the deadly COVID-19 virus when she went on her live and had this to say. Check it out.
Cancel IG and sus job. No. There's no shame in my game. Hi. I thought I was dying. I thought I was dying from corona, but I got my test and I'm okay. I'm gonna get up beard and rub on my bleaching, put on my long sleeve on my socks. Yeah, tattoo boy. Richie, you need to come fix up my skin. Me, I come out and you need to come fix up my f***ing skin, bro.
Mir, she a burn a small fire upon dancehall IG and Sus Jam. I see a them a circulate the rumors. I say she have COVID-19 and a bag of things. But Mama says she do her test and she is free of the virus. So she can rub on her bleaching cream and then she appeal to her tattoo artist for forward come put the tattoo on her back. Anyway, people, let me know what you think about that. And Squash mother Shelly Ann is not the only one doing a test, but only thing Queenie is doing a different kind of test. Queenie, go do some STD test. You know, say mama brawling. She let's say she shared the results. So people, check out this video.
You know, I don't know why women so cantankerous towards women. Why we stay so? The whole of where women have a big thinking in a way we love discriminate each other. Why? Well, ladies, all I can tell you, no found a duck answer, no duck like duck answer. Remember the someone named Duck Ants? Oh, no, for coming on my DM now, I go tell me, say, man, say me stink. And me say clean and fat. And me say double tap and be a girl a double tap and just talking some clean. A real deal. Me leave Jamaica the 18th of September. I reach England the 19th of September.
At the Homerton
Listen.
University Hospital. To use our automated result system, please press 1.
Yeah.
Or if you need to speak to a health advisor.
Press 1.
Good morning. Welcome to Homerton University Hospital Automated Result Service. Please enter the digits of your patient ID number.
Don't move. On a summer stink. Don't move. Don't with the queen. Me telling all why I say Queen Rain. Don't with me.
Thank you. Please enter your date of birth.
Don't move, lady. Yeah. My date of birth?
Please. Thank you. The last results we have for you are for tests taken on Tuesday, the 22nd of September. To hear the results of the test, press 1. If
You hear that? Tuesday the 22nd of September.
Tuesday, the 22nd of September are as follows. Chlamydia. Your genital chlamydia test is negative. You do not have genital.
Thank you.
Gonorrhea DNA. Your genital gonorrhea DNA test is negative. You do not have genital gonorrhea infection. TB. Your TB or trichomonas test is negative. You do not have.
You wanna hear that? Do not have negative. Me can't think if me cheesy. And so I'm only me can't think. I'm a very OCD and I know what it is for personal hygiene. Pussy clean and fat, snatch and when you know one keep in the belly, when you get this waist trainers. Go! But stink you bright. No boy can't tell us the under your stink. See, hear my result, the off. Seven clean, seven fat. Seven give a girl a watch. Said the man unless you see a lot of that. Them I say he coming like a so.
People, we are gonna leave it right there, so we are gonna leave it right there. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. People, don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. Say she clean, say she fat. Him not telling like Queenie a song.